I am audible to all. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to all. So in last class we have completed remote sensing. Okay. So now we start GIS and GPS. So what is the difference between GIS and GPS? So GPS is the global positioning system, and what is GIS? GIS is the geographic information system. Okay. So GPS is a device for measuring geographic coordinate at location on the earth, and GIS is a database for maintaining the and analyzing the spatial feature and relation also for the given coordinate or given place. So with the help of GPS, we find the geographical coordinate or location on earth, and with the help of GIS is a software that is a geographic information system. It is a analyzed by software, so a database for maintaining and analyzing the spatial feature, also that coordinate that data is analyzed, and relationship between features as they are defined through geographical coordinate or measurement. So through GPS we get the data, and those data analyze and interpret with the help of GIS. Okay. So global positioning system was originally intended for in a starting for military purpose. Okay, this is started for military purpose, but in 1980s the government made the system available for civilian use also. So GPS from 1980s GPS is also used for civilian. So GPS work in any weather condition and anywhere in the world 24 hours in a day. So GPS is all time available system. Global positioning system is a throughout the world all time available 24 hours. It is in work in any weather condition. So what is the basic difference of GPS and GIS? Generally, GPS that is global positioning system is used to get an exact location of the Earth surface on the Earth surface at any point on the Earth surface in 3 dimension also. Also X, Y, Z direction, that is the position is X coordinate, Y coordinate and Z coordinate. GPS is very important data input source used for surveying, military operation, engineering, environing, vehicle tracking, flight navigation also, car navigation also, ship navigation. These are the, with the help of GPS data, we can use in broad manner for surveying purpose, for military operation purpose, for engineering in mining, vehicle tracking also, flight navigation, also car navigation or ship navigation. With the help of GPS we can do this. For mapping purpose also GPS is used. So for a mapping purpose GPS tell us where and allow us to input where and what type of data we can follow for the map preparation. And GPS is a worldwide radio navigation system formed from 24 satellites and their ground stations. So for the GPS, there are 24 satellites is available. Okay, so that satellite, with the help of remote sensing, that satellite is collects data in form of electromagnetic wave, and these wave analyze. So this wave which collect the data, analyzing with the help of system, computer system, and give information in form of GPS. That is the coordinate system. So how GPS work? GPS work कैसे करता है? How GPS work? So GPS derive position relative to satellite reference point using triangulation. So with the help of triangulation, it helps collecting data, and the GPS unit on the ground figure its distance to each of several satellites using the time it takes for a radio signal to travel the satellite. So for the getting information for the exact position of satellite at a given time, it must be known. So exact position must be known, and otherwise it can't be served as reference point. Agar if satellite exact position is not known, in that condition it unable to give the information or unable to serve as a reference point. Okay, I'm just start to share the screen. So how GPS work? These are the Earth. This is our Earth. Okay, and there are 3 satellites above the surface in X, Y, and kilometer for the Earth surface, and through this satellite it collects data. And this data is analyzed by computer system. So how GPS works? This is the user. This is the control segment. That is the control segment. So from the control segment, and here satellite is known as a space segment. Satellite is known as a space segment, and he is a user. User is placed here. So rays are emitted and received by control system. Okay, so which rays? Satellite give information to control system, and also if user are present here, so user have mobile or system, any GPS control system, they get also information from the satellite, from the space segment. So how does GPS work? So we need at least 3 satellites as reference point to our position. So this is our objective question also. How many satellite is required for the GPS? So minimum 3 satellite as a reference point is need for the GPS, but based on the principle that where we know our exact distance from a satellite image, we know we are somewhere on the surface of an imaginary sphere with radius equal to distance to the satellite. And with two satellites, we are in the plane where the two intersect, and with three or more, we can get two possible points, and one of those is usually offered from a practical standpoint and can be discarded. So these are the of these three satellites. At least three satellites is required as a reference point for our position, for our knowing position. So now a screen is visible. So these three satellites work as one satellite. We know we are in the plane and where the two intersect, and with or more we can get two possible points, and one of those is usually impossible for practical standpoint and it can be useless. So if only one satellite is present, then it is impossible to collect the data. So someday GPS is used. So the users for GPS mapping are enormous, and here are just a few examples, that is center lines of road, hydrologic, wordness, colony location, fire perimeters, geologic and mining maps. These are the usage of GPS. Okay. Next is the GIS. In our syllabus, only basics of GPS and GIS to study. So what is GIS? GIS is the Geographic Information System. So a Geographic Information System or GIS integrate hardware, software and data for capturing, managing, analyzing and displaying all form of geographical reference information. And GIS system is a computer software, hardware and data and personnel to help manipulate, analyze and present information that is tied to a spatial location. So basically, GIS is to analyzing, interpreting of data with the help of hardware or software, also manipulate data and present information that is in a spatial location, that is usually a geographic location, information that is visualization of analyzing data, system, software, hardware and data also, and personal, that is a thinking explore, who is the key of power of GIS. So GIS is a software that interprets, analyze data. GIS is a spatial database with a strong visual display component GIS is not primarily a mapping program. It is not a mapping program. It is developed in 1980s, but its acceptance and development outside of the environment science has been very slow. This is this is the shown by GIS, GPS. So use of GIS is for emergency services, environmental, natural disaster, education, government, medical, industry, business, and defense. In this area, GIS is used broadly. So for all purpose, we used GIS in different ways. The screen is visible or not?
नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, okay. So usage of GPS is in different ways we can use, that is for emergency services, environmental, natural disaster, education, government, medical, industry, business, and defense. In this area, we use GIS. So see the figure. This is a GPS diagram, 2D in 3D view of GPS, collected from GPS. Okay. So in 3D, see the image 2D and 3D image by GPS. Also, we can see in our mobile by GPS software, either our college, Chaivasha, any location, if we want to search and see the GPS image. So these are the three segments of GPS. First is the space segment, control system, control segment, and user segment. Okay, three segments of GPS: control segment, space segment, and user segment. So control segment is either master station, monitor station, ground station. The space segment is only satellite. A space segment for GPS is only satellite. And user, so we are user either computer or either mobile. GPS is used with a computer or mobile. Control segment all over world. Sheet control segment, master control station, monitor station, and ground antenna. So by red, purple, and in triangular red. So here, this is the ground antenna. This is star mark is the US Space Command, that is master control station. Hawaii, this is monitor station. Here also both the station is present, monitor station and ground antenna. All over world we can see here some control segment, master control station, monitor station, and ground antenna. This is the space segment. Here satellite over the earth represent space segment. So space segment information, the GPS uses constellation of 24 satellites that orbit the Earth at about 1100 nautical miles. Okay? Every 12 hours. And this satellite is also Rohini series satellite IRNS series, which is also used for remote sensing. So the orbital position is constantly monitored and updated by ground station, and each station is identified by number and broadcast a unique signal, and the signal travel at the speed of light, and it is, what is the value of a speed of light? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That is also speed of signal. So each satellite has a very accurate clock, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 seconds. In user segment, where the civilians are the users, so user segment, military, search and rescue, disaster relief, surveying, marine, aeronautical and terrestrial navigation, remote control vehicle and robot guidance, satellite positioning and tracking also, shipping, geographical information, that is GIS, recreation. So these are the user segment, part of user segment for GPS. For primary function of GPS is the position and coordinate, the distance and direction between any two waypoint or a position and a waypoint, travel progress report, accurate time measurement. These are the 4 primary functions of GPS. Selective availability. The Defense Department deterred the satellite time, message reducing position accuracy to some GPS user also, and this selective availability was designed to prevent America's enemies from GPS against us, our allies. So these are the uses of GPS. Next is the source of GPS error, where it is not work. So standard positioning services, that is SPS, that is for civilian users. So if the source is satellite clock, so amount of error is 1.5 to 3.6 meter. So error is meter. Okay. Or vital error, that is less than 1 meter. Ionosphere, that is 5.0 to 7.0 meter. तो इस वजह से क्या होता है, कभी कभी जीपीएस के थ्रू हम लोग चले जाते हैं, अपने पोजीशन पे पहुंच जाते हैं, जो लोकेशन हमें दिखाया जाता है, बट उस लोकेशन पे हमारा डेस्टिनेशन नहीं होता है, ठीक है। तो थोड़ी सी हमें 5 मीटर के रेंज में ही हमारा फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन होगा, ऐसा बहुत टाइम होता है। So that error is 1.5 to 3.6 meters. Ionosphere error is 5 to 7 meters. Troposphere error 0.5 to 0.7 meters. Receiver noise that is 0.3 to 1.5 meters. Multipath 0.2 to 1.2 meters. Selective availability that is so user error up to kilometer or more. So user error can be up to 1 kilometer or more. So error are cumulative and POP. So POP is necessary for so source of signal interference. So whether the source of whether the signal interference, so either weather condition, very bad weather condition, electric pole, these are the signal interference. Due to this error can be accumulated. Okay, these are the source of error. Either climatic, somehow climatic, and electric field also. It is the interference, signal interference. GPS navigation terminology. So GPS navigation terminology shown by this diagram. On these flow lines, on this diagram, on the basis of this diagram, GPS is worked. Here is the present location. So from the present location, active VOTO waypoint is connected. So position fix, a position is based on real-time satellite tracking and it's defined by a set of coordinates. Okay. GPS position is based on real-time satellite tracking and it is defined by a set of coordinates. A position represents only an approximation of the receiver true location and a position is not static, it changes constantly as the GPS receive, move and wander due to random error. So in that, if position is not static, in that condition random error may be occurred. So a receiver must be in 2D and 3D mode, at least 3 or 4 satellites required. So minimum satellite is 3. So either 3 or 4 satellite is required. And in order to provide a position fix, so for fixed position, for the knowing fixed position, at least 3 or 4 satellite is required. So 3D mode dramatically improve position accuracy. So in 3D mode of information, it improve position accuracy. Next is the waypoint. So waypoint is based on coordinate entered into a GPS receiver memory and it can be created for any remote point on Earth and it must have a receiver designated code or number or a user supplied name. Once entered and saved, a waypoint remains unchanged